Director of Medical Education of the Osmania General Hospital in Hyderabad, has ordered authorities to seal the facility's old heritage building. This decision comes a week after rainwater inundated the old building that had to be vacated and patients shifted to other wards. On Tuesday, the Osmania Doctors Association launched a protest demanding a new building. The 1,100-bed hospital heritage building from the Nizam's era made headlines after its dilapidated wards were found flooded with sewage and rainwater not once but twice. With confirmed cases of the novel coronavirus on the rise in Telangana, protests by doctors at the COVID-19 nodal Gandhi Hospital and Osmania General have led to questions on the state government's handling of the situation. The Telangana Government Doctors Association (TGDA) has now decided to hold demonstrations for an hour each day until the state government responds to their requests. Doctors part of the protest on July 21 pointed out the deplorable condition of the Osmania General Hospital building. Ceilings that can crash at any time and an overflowing drainage system have only added to the woes of doctors on the front line in the fight against COVID-19 in Hyderabad. While patients were shifted to other wards after the incident from last Wednesday, 3 operation theatres were still operational in Osmania General's old heritage building. Doctors demanding a new building, photo credits, PTI. Opposition leaders also took the opportunity to criticize the TRS-led Telangana government. In response, the ruling party accused Congress and BJP of stalling its plan to build a new complex after demolishing the heritage structure. The Osmania General Hospital was built by Mir Osman Ali Khan in 1911. It was designed by British architect Vincent Jerome Esch, who also drew up the designs for the Victoria Memorial in Kolkata.